Milazzo, Wyckoff chiropractor, and now I've been practicing, finishing my 34th year in practice. And over those years, we've been able to see a lot of people who have been in car accidents. We want to talk to you today about things that you can do to prevent auto accidents, further damage to your neck. And next week, we'll talk to you more about what we do after the accident. First of all, it's important that when you are riding in your car that you have your headrest positioned properly. It has to be high, right at the top of your head, because when you are in a rear end collision, your head will go back and up into that headrest. And if it's too low, it will go over, and it won't stop you from having damage. The damage that is done in a whiplash injury, in a rear end injury, is that your head goes backwards and it throws itself forward at a very high rate of speed, ripping all those ligaments that run along the back of your spine. The ligaments, the tendons, and the discs all get damaged during that forward traction. So if you can stop that backward motion when you are rear-ended, you will save a lot of damage from your neck. Remember, your seatbelt will save your life, and you should wear it, but it's not going to save your neck from whiplash injury. The next thing is, if you can, apply pressure on your brake if you see an accident coming, because the heavier that your car is, the less it gets thrown forward, the less damage you will sustain. But even in low impact collisions, you will sustain some spinal injuries, so it's important to make your first step to go to a chiropractor to get your spine checked. Here's an example of what can happen. A patient that I've been taking care of for many years had almost perfect alignment here in the cervical spine, and she was in good shape. She backed out of her driveway, got sideswiped by another car, and immediately she went from having perfect shape to an 11-degree cervical subluxation and a 14-degree right cervical thoracic subluxation. And if she had not put this back into place, which she did, she came in for chiropractic care twice a week for several months, and we were able to fix her spine and get it back to this perfect alignment again. But that doesn't happen by itself. You need to see a chiropractor, and next week we'll talk to you about more what you can do post accidents. So this is Dr. Ray Milazzo with some tips about preventing spinal injuries during an accident, and we look forward to seeing you next time.